Dm7 guitar chord is a little bit harder than most open chords for two reasons. First of all, you'll be holding two strings down with your first finger, and secondly, you will be using a slightly different hand position. To get close to the hand position you need, can you just grab the guitar naturally without even thinking about anything? And if you look at your hand, you will see that these two fingers are somewhere close to the actual chord position we need. So the first thing we will do is grab the guitar from behind. Your thumb will be left lightly touching the sixth string to mute it. No sound. And position your first fingertip over the first and second string in the corner. So if you start by trying to get those two to sound, and then the hard bit is to try and hook the second finger over those to sound the third string second fret. It sounds best when you strum 4 chords, but you can actually strum 6 with this one muted, and 5 is okay. But I would play 4 chords, 4 strings on this chord as much as possible by keeping my strumming tame. Dm7.